Article usage based on sound an and a. When writing a sentence, the article an is used instead of a if the word following the article starts with a vowel sound. However, it's important to note that it's the sound that matters, not just the letter. For example, an apple starts with the vowel sound, an elephant starts with the vowel sound, an igloo starts with the vowel sound, an orange starts with the vowel sound o, an umbrella starts with the vowel sound oo. However, if a word starts with a vowel letter but has a consonant sound, a is used. For example, a university starts with the consonant sound u. A European country starts with the consonant sound u. Conversely, if a word starts with a consonant letter but has a vowel sound, an is used. For example, an hour starts with the vowel sound ow, an honor starts with the vowel sound on. So, the choice between a and an depends on the initial sound of the following word.